Hey, it's Matt with Verizon, and I'm excited to show you how simple and easy it is to get 5G business internet from Verizon. It's a new kind of business internet powered by 5G ultra wideband. With our professional installation option, our experts handle the work so you can get our fastest speeds without disrupting your business. Let's get started. First, check service availability for your address by visiting verizon.com/5G business internet and clicking on the Check Availability button at the top of the page. Once you've confirmed availability, talk to your Verizon rep, who will help you choose the right speed plan and equipment for your business. Next, get authorization from the property manager to install the 5G receiver. Then just choose your install date and get ready for super fast speeds. When your professional installation team arrives, they will assess the building and determine where to install the equipment. Now, they're ready to begin the installation. First, your installer will use the receiver to find the strongest 5G signal. In this case, the signal is coming from this direction, so the receiver will then be mounted to receive the best signal. Next, we'll plug in the internet cable into the 5G receiver and run it down to the inside of the building. The cable then connects to the router in your office. You can use the Verizon router or bring your own compatible router. In this case, we're using the router supplied by Verizon. All that's left to do is connect your devices by logging in with your Wi-Fi name and password. Now you're ready to start enjoying the smoking fast speeds of Verizon's 5G ultra wideband. Verizon 5G business internet gives you fast, reliable connectivity in days, not months. Call your rep today and find out how the speed of 5G ultra wideband can help transform your business.